Of insurance, dorm insurance. Should you be considering it for your college kids? And what does it really protect? Joanne Pert is here right now to tell us whether or not it's worth it so you don't waste your money. How about it, Joanne?
All right, Carolyn, you know dorms are packed with expensive gadgets and goodies. Whether you're a college student or a parent who doesn't want to buy replacements, Consumer Reports is helping you understand the risks and your options. A false alarm on Allie Mullen's college campus last year triggered the dormitory's fire alarm sprinklers.
Books, papers, computers, any electronics, anything that was just out in the open got ruined.
Barring freak accidents, you may worry about theft or someone stealing your co-ed stuff. But that threat is relatively small. From schools that report crime data, there were only about 798 burglaries and larceny thefts for every 100,000 students enrolled at institutions of higher learning. That's less than 1%.
You can go to the FBI's website to find detailed crime statistics for your child's school. But you also have to keep in mind just how responsible your child is. Are they really trusting with their belongings, and just how careful are they?
If you decide you want to insure their stuff, you have a few options. A parent's homeowner policy will typically cover kids while they're living in an on-campus residence at no extra cost. But the coverage may only apply to 10% of your limit on the contents of your home. So if your policy covers up to $50,000 in losses, your student's belongings are covered for only up to $5,000. A renter's policy will be necessary if your child lives off campus. Premiums vary based on the amount of coverage needed, but are usually about $10 to $22 per month. Then there's something called dorm insurance, which may be your best option. A $5,000 policy might cost $140 per year, but with only a $25 deductible, you won't fret putting in a claim. And for some of Allie Mullen's classmates, bringing a waterlogged laptop to class is something they hope to never deal with again. Consumer Reports suggests considering the value of your child's possessions before going in for dorm insurance. Policies cover not only laptops and smartphones, but also things like bikes and sports equipment and musical instruments as well, all of which may have some high enough price tags to want to consider an extra policy.
I never
thought
about
there.
that.
And we have it all spelled out for you on our website as well right now, WXYZ.TV.
There you go.
I hate to say this, I went to college before anybody had computers, so we didn't have to work.
We didn't have as much stuff.
Yeah, my abacus was pretty cheap, you know. But it's a good thing to consider, good information. Thanks, Joanne.
It is, for sure. Thank you, Steve.
All right.